guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I show you how to transform an old looking tired tank top into this beautiful crossover top. What you'll need is an old boring top and a pair of scissors, and what I'm doing is I'm cutting the top along its back. As you can see, I'm avoiding the seams because if you cut along your seams, your top will fall apart, and you definitely do not want that. You still want your top to have some structure even after destroying it, quote unquote. How you'll know you've cut equally on both sides is that you should be able to fold over the top without any trouble at all. Now, using that straight line as a guide, I'm just going to cut along the line. If you're good at this, you definitely do not need to keep folding the top, but I'm pathetic at cutting in a straight line, so I just had to have some sort of guide. That way I did somewhat of a straight line. Now, turning over the top, I'm folding it again along its middle, and I'm doing this just to get that straight line guide, and using that guide I'm just going to cut down the middle of the top and split it into two. This has to be the easiest DIY ever, and it's so cool. Once you've done that, that's it. Now on to wearing the top. So I'm taking the top and wearing it along the side I cut in the middle, and taking those two strands, I'm just going to cross them over and tie a knot at the back. I had to do a bit of jumping just to make sure it was tight enough such that it would not expose my boobies. Once that's done, I'm going to tuck in the excess fabric just to give the top more of a finished look, and it doesn't look like something you cut up in your bedroom in just 2 minutes. So if this is a bit too much cleavage for you, just take a bobby pin and try close the cleavage a bit more. Anyway, that's it for this video, guys. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and if you're subscribed, I will see you in my next video. Until then, bye.